So my wife teases me sometimes about watching my own videos, and I do that because, you know, I'm trying to improve my editing, my script, the way I talk, the way I mispronounce words and all these other stuff. But anyway, my whole point is I was watching the front brake video on this Volvo S90, and I saw the washer move here when I was doing something. I can't remember what I was doing. I'd have to rewatch the video again, which I will. And so I took it apart, and sure enough, it's loose. And so I need to tighten that down and torque it down because that's a high torque item. So if you look up that torque, you're going to be really surprised how much oomph is on there. So anyway, be sure and go through rent-a-cars. If you buy a rent-a-car, definitely go through it, check everything. There could have been repairs. I'm sure this wasn't factory. I'm sure something happened and they had to take that off and fix something or do something, and then forgot to torque it down. So anyway, if you watch my video, this whole side here, this is the passenger side, was kind of loose anyway. So what I think happened is they took it all apart, put it together, and then we're going to come back and torque everything down, and then got distracted. So anyway, just don't be distracted if you do a job on a car yourself. Just be sure and look up the torques and torque everything down and take care of it. So thank you for watching my videos. You might learn something.